channel. Y'all, it's 70 degrees outside in February. Yeah, that's crazy. Welcome to 2025. Y'all know the weather is great, and when the weather is great, you feel great, and when you feel great, you do great things. So with that being said, y'all, I want to go clean out my car because y'all know we have been having really bad weather. Well, not really bad weather. Y'all know we have been having cold weather, and when you have cold weather, like, the cars just sit. My poor car look a mess. It look abandoned. It look like nobody cares about her. Not to mention my paint is still flaking off, thanks to Hyundai, who failed to repaint my car. I'm gonna mention this every second I get because I'm still in disgust with the way my paint look. But all in all, I still need to take care of my car. So I want to go to the car wash and clean out the inside of my car, and probably just wash her down on the outside just a little bit because that snow got my car looking disgusting. I've been waiting for a break in the weather just for it to get like a little warm, or a little warmer than usual, so I can at least try to clean out the inside of my car, because between my daughter and my niece, and the inside of my car just look a mess. And then I have clothes in my trunk that I was supposed to donate to Goodwill maybe 2-3 weeks ago, and I still have yet to do that. So that's what's on the agenda today. And y'all, this new coffee place opened up like not far from my house, called 7 Brew, and I want to go try it so bad because this girl that I watch on YouTube always go to 7 Brew, and I'm just like, I have to try this coffee. Like, I know I'm not supposed to have coffee. I've been on my tea journey since I've had my surgery, but I just keep seeing this coffee, and I'm like, dang girl, you keep drinking this coffee, you about to force me to buy some. So that's what I'm about to do after we get done cleaning the car. So I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed, and I'm taking y'all along with me. So we gonna go ahead and get dressed, and then we gonna head out because we're not prolonging the video today. Like, y'all, I've been trying this new editing app, and it has been whooping my ass. Like, oh my god. So if my videos look different in any type of way, it's because I'm trying a new editing app, and I honestly hate it. Like, I hate it so bad, and I'm trying so hard, like, to switch up my style when it comes to editing my videos. So I've been testing out different editing apps, but this particular one, like, it's a free app, but dang, like, I hate the way my video quality looks, because I know what I'm capable of and what my video footage is capable. Forget it, I don't know what I'm trying to say. But anyways, let's get dressed.
I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hear me up when you make it. You'll try to come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not base. You wanna get with me, stop. Those on this side, those over on this side. Hey, told me about all your days for what? Drag me like 2 hours.
Okay, y'all, I'm done getting dressed, y'all. It took me so long only because I was trying to decide if I wanted to flat iron my hair or curl it. So then once I start flat ironing it, I decided to just go ahead and curl it, which took a little longer than expected, but I like the outcome. Like, I think my hair turned out really pretty. I just have on a two-piece set that I got from Walmart along with my shoes that I got from the TikTok shop. My socks is also from the TikTok shop. Y'all, the time is a little bit after 11 o'clock, which means we gotta get ready and head out. Yeah, I'll see y'all when I make it to the car wash. So we made it to, well, I don't know why I keep saying we. I made it to the car wash. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to clean my car out, y'all. I had to drive around the parking lot for at least like 5 minutes because every spot to vacuum your car out is completely full. Like, I already knew it was gonna be full just because like it's 70 degrees outside. Like, who don't want to wash their car? But I found a parking spot. It's now 12 o'clock, so I need to go ahead and get this car cleaned out. Like, y'all, look at my car. Look at this. It's trash everywhere. Like, these kids do not care about my car and this burn. Let's go ahead and get this car cleaned out because I don't want to hold up the space for nobody else. So yeah, let's get this car cleaned out. It is so hot. I need to get my seats clean, but I'm not gonna clean my seats today just because I really don't feel up to it, and I need to buy some more brushes and solution to clean my seats. We're gonna clean the seats another day. So now it's time to head inside of the car wash. explain it though, because it feels so damn good outside. Like, oh my god, I just had to dry my car off because my windshield was so wet I could barely see, and my wipers, I need some new wipers too. So now that I'm doing with that, I'm about to spray my car down. I always use blunt spray because I just feel like it sticks to your carpet so much better than the actual car scent. So I don't even know what this would call, but I have 2 of them, and I always go in with the purple one because the purple one just smell like sour bubble gum, like Bubblicious bubble gum. That's what the purple one smell like. And then, oh my god, this one smells like, I don't even know, some type of fruit. It says cantaloupe, but it don't smell like cantaloupe. And this one, I'm gonna use this one just because I used to use this one all the time when I kind of first got my car. And this scent lasts so fucking long. Like, oh, it just smells so good. And I just realized now that I'm done cleaning my car, it's a little after 1 o'clock if I didn't already say that, but I'm about to find somewhere where I can wash my hands, and then I want to try to go to Sephora. It's a Kohl's not far from this car wash, and I just remembered that I need to get some more concealer because the concealer I got don't really match my complexion now that it's the winter time. So I'm gonna go into Sephora to see if I can find some new concealer while I'm out this way. So I'll see you when I make it to Sephora. Okay, y'all, I found the concealers. This is the shade I have at home, the 450, but I'm supposed to have 470, so I'm about to try on the 470 just to see. This is so pretty. Look at that. I should have did 2 so you can see the difference, but this is the darker one. Let me see if I can wipe it off. I'm gonna put the lighter one on this side, and this is the lighter one. 450. They both look good, but I feel like this one is a little bit lighter. And this one is like completely like spot on. I think I'm gonna go with this one.
Did you want a bag? Sure. Did you have rewards with us too?
Yes.
I brought up your Kohl's rewards, and then the Sephora one, we look up your email, so probably type it into, yeah, 32.88.
Okay. Thank you.
You too.
y'all can probably tell, it's a few hours later that I'm now picking up the camera. I decided to bring my baby and my niece to the park because, as I mentioned, it feels so good outside and they wanted to come outside and play. So I just brought them to the park. I'm actually sitting in the car because I'm too lazy to get my I'm too lazy to get out. Like, this is the park and they are over there on the swing playing. I said I was gonna get out, but I'm just sitting in the car listening to music right now. My baby is forcing me out the car at this point, so I guess I'll get out. Dang, that smells like pickles. Here I come. Oh, it feels so good out here. I'm so happy to be a spring baby. You swinging? You are? You doing it? Okay, I'm looking. Hi, pretty girl. You need your jacket in a minute. Kick, TT, kick. You doing it? You better hold on. You doing it, TT? You gonna jump? Okay. You climbing up? I see you under there. TT can't climb under. I'm gonna have to go around. I'm too big. Wait, let me help you. Uh-oh. Okay, go. 1, 2, 3. Whee! See? You have to touch it first. Be careful, girl. You going around?
I was on the highway to do.
Where? Uh-oh. Can you go over? Let me see.
People play hockey.
Come on. Come on. There you go. You can do it. Hey y'all, I'm just now making it back home. The weather was amazing. If this don't scream spring weather, I don't know what does. I'm so excited. Like, the weather started to switch up and I can already feel my mood switching. Like, the wintertime have you so down and depressed and just unmotivated, tired, sleepy, all that. And as you can see, the warmer the weather, the warmer my mood is. But anyway, I'm so happy to be back home, y'all. The time is like literally 7:30 right now, and I'm in the process of like charging all of my batteries because look, every last battery that I have that goes to my camera is completely dead. That's how much vlogging I've been doing. Like, when I say I'm on my own ass, I'm on my own ass, and I meant that. Yeah, I gotta charge up every battery that I have left to my camera so that I can be ready to use my camera again. If not tomorrow, then probably the day after. But I'm about to get ready and get up out of these clothes because I need to take the hottest shower possible. Like, I'm ready to take a shower and just relax because my feet is barking, my back is hollering. Like, it's time for me to wind down a little bit. But before I end out this vlog, I just want to do a recap and show y'all what I got from the store. So as y'all seen in my previous clips, I did go to Sephora, and after I left out of Sephora, I went to the Dollar Tree. I just needed a new pair of scissors because the pair that I was using to cut my lace with, it has glue all over. And as y'all know, like, it's hard to get the glue off these scissors. Like, I've tried so many times. Some of it came off, but the residue is still there. So I'm sorry if I'm looking like in the mirror, because I'm using my phone but I'm looking through the mirror at the same time. But I also got another exfoliating sponge for my feet. Yes, if you never tried it, try it. I promise you, your feet gonna feel like a baby's butt. I'm not lying, it had your feet feeling so good. And last but not least, I just got some more concealer, because as I mentioned, I have concealer in I have this brand of concealer already, but the shade I have is too bright, and I just wanted one a little closer to my skin tone. This one is $4.70, and the one that I already have is a $4.50. This one seems to be closer to my skin tone than the $4.50, so we're gonna try this one and hope that it, you know, matches my skin tone completely as it dry down. With that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and end out this vlog. Thank y'all so much for tuning in to this video. All of my socials are linked down below so that y'all can keep up with me on there when I'm not on here. I'll see y'all next time with a brand new vlog. Bye.